Well, it was an occupation. It was an occupied struggle. It was a struggle that was going to take a long time to rebut the richies. They had all the money, they had all the rich supporters, they had heaps and heaps of they could have bought the army, they could have bought the navy, they could have bought, who knows. For 506 days there was just a mess of support that came from Ngāti Pāwa, Ngāpuhi, all the way down every tribal area down south, all the way down. And it was such a very striking event. It was similar to Maoridom all the way. Pākehā tāhae their land, tāhae their land. The Prime Minister at the time was Robert Muldoon, and he lived in Mission Bay. His program was to build high-rise haciendas right on the point and go right along by through to Orake Wharf and then right around. So it was to me it was a rather grandiose idea for rich people. My reaction was how grotesque it was, and it was a rich man talking about rich people. And to me, Maoridom was nowhere, Ngāti Whātua was nowhere in the scheme of things. What happened with Ngāti Whātua was treaty claim. It was a treaty claim. And meetings upon meetings upon meetings happened. On the point it became a Ngāti Whātua effort. I didn't travel anywhere. I just stayed with Mum and Dad, with my brothers and sisters, on the point. Didn't go anywhere because it was necessary to do something better than having tents.
What would you like to say to the people that are gathering for the 40th anniversary of Bastion Point?
I'll have to tell them that what I would like to say, that combined victory is very, very, very sweet. Ki te ana koe koutou katoa, I hara mai nei ki konei tēnei marae. Tino pai, te ngākau. Tēnā koutou katoa.